All right, guys, we're going to do a quick unboxing video here of the Neo 2. I'm going to go through this really quickly. I actually did get the DJI Mic 3 as well, but I'm not going to do the unboxing for that. So we'll just put that over the side. But yeah, the DJI Neo 2 drone only, which is really all you need. I mean, that's the whole purpose of having the Neo, honestly. You don't really need the controller. If you're going to do a controller one, then you might as well go with the Mini 5 Pro, because that one requires a controller and it does a little bit more than the Neo 2 does. Longer range and stuff like that. Technically, you can get that sort of range out of this guy, but you need to buy the controller and stuff like that. And if you want to use the motion controller with this guy, you also have to buy the goggles, which is kind of a hassle. I don't really have space in my luggage for all that stuff, so let's see what this looks like out the door. So yeah, it looks pretty much like the Neo 1, it's just different color. Neo 1 is like a light gray. This is a dark gray color. It's all plastic sealed and all the usual stuff. Yeah, it looks like it comes with a nice, gimbal cover. And it's got all the sensors here, the omnidirectional sensors, which is what, you would buy this for specifically over the Neo 1. It's got the little tool thing, so you can replace the propellers if you need to. Charging cable, USB-C, USB-C, extra propeller, so it comes with 2 extra propellers, but that's it. It looks like it comes partially charged, not much, so this is probably like 25% charge, so I'm gonna charge it up. But yeah, definitely, I'll show you a review of this maybe later, but great drone. The first one was great, this one's even better. Tested it out in the mall. I bought this one at the IOI mall in Malaysia, and the Putrajaya one, which is like one of the biggest malls in the world. So yep, that's it, guys.